In this video, we will review Rithmic. Rithmic is a professional-grade trading platform renowned for its ultra-low and high-performance execution, making it a perfect choice among future traders and potential trading firms. The platform is a flagship offering trader, providing real-time market data, comprehensive order management, and robust risk control, all within a streamlined interface. For advanced users, Trader Pro and these features are integrating chart capabilities with real-time Excel streaming and facilitating complex analysis. Rithmic's infrastructure supports a wide array of order types, such as stop loss, OCO, and bracket order, catering to both discretionary and automatic trading approaches. However, Rithmic is not without drawbacks. The platform is tailored specifically for future trading, lacking support for other asset classes such as forex and equities. Its user support interface makes it appear dated compared to some competitors. The learning curve can be very steep for new beginners due to its limited educational resources on the platform. Furthermore, customer support has received mixed reviews, with some users reporting challenges in obtaining timely assistance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.